Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset VIVO X300 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a reset using the settings and a reset using the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. That is also the recommended method. Scroll down all the way until we find system management. Now click on the reset, and on the bottom we have the option that we are interested in, erase all data. But if you want, in here we can also reset the network settings and reset all settings. But those two options are not the factory reset options. It's the last one. Now simply tap on that. If you want, you can enable to erase the eSIMs. You can read what it will cost. This action will not cancel any of your mobile plans. To add an eSIM, contact your carrier. Now, to reset your device, simply click on clear. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. Remember that you will lose all of your data if you factory reset your device. When it comes to the second method, using the recovery mode, we need to power off our device. Click power button and volume up button, and now swipe right to power off the device. But you need to be aware that if you are resetting your device using the recovery mode, for example, if you have a screen lock set, and if you are logged into Google account, after the reset, during the setup process, the phone might want you to or sign in into your Google account that you were logged in before the reset, or it will want you to type the lock screen that you had before the reset as a confirmation method that you are a user of this device. Okay, now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until the VIVO logo appears. When it appears, we will release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. Let me show you. So hold power and volume up. When VIVO logo appears, release the finger, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using the volume keys, select recovery mode and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now select clear data, clear all data, and now click on clear. You cannot see it because it's too bright, but it's on the right side. We have the button, click on clear. The process has now started, so we need to wait. Okay, all data cleared. Click on return, go back using that arrow, and now select restart. Click on OK. Now simply wait until your phone is turned on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.